In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft To Do with Calendar, Outlook. Here's the key idea up front. Microsoft To Do and Outlook work together, but not the same way you might expect if you're coming from Google Tasks. Your To Do tasks automatically sync with Outlook tasks as long as you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. However, simply adding a due date to a task will not make it appear as an event on your Outlook calendar grid. That automatic placement on the calendar isn't supported right now, so let's walk through what you can do instead. First, let's look at where your tasks live in Outlook. Open Outlook on your desktop or in a web browser. Then switch to the Tasks area. In many layouts, you'll click the three dots and choose Tasks. You should see your Microsoft To Do tasks appear there automatically, grouped just like they are in To Do. There's nothing extra to set up. Syncing happens in the background as long as you're using the same account in both apps. If something looks off, double-check you're signed in with the same Microsoft account in Outlook and in the To Do app. Next, you can keep tasks visible while you work on your schedule. Open Outlook and click the My Day or To Do icon, usually at the top or in the sidebar. Switch to the To Do tab. This pane shows your upcoming tasks right next to your calendar and email, which makes planning much easier. You can expand or pin it so it stays open. Check off items as you go, and keep your priorities in sight without cluttering the calendar grid itself. If you want a specific task to show up as time on your calendar, you can turn it into an event in the new Outlook for Windows or on the web. Go to Calendar, open the My Day or To Do pane, then drag the task onto the date and time you want. Outlook creates a calendar event there, so you've effectively booked time to work on that task. Keep in mind, this doesn't convert the task into a true calendar item that stays linked. It's simply an event you scheduled. Think of it as reserving focus time so the work actually gets done. To recap, tasks sync to Outlook tasks. Automatically, you can view them alongside your calendar via the My Day or To Do pane, and you can drag a task into the calendar to block time when needed. Until native task on calendar placement arrives, these options give you a smooth, reliable workflow.